Today I will be doing for you some garlic butter chicken. So I'm gonna dash in some garlic powder, chicken seasoning, some salt, and some all-purpose flour. And we are going to massage in all of that goodness, niceness in the chicken. Yeah. After your chicken has marinated, you want to make sure that your pot is sizzling hot. Then we are going to put in our chicken one by one. So you want to get these nicely golden brown. Our chicken is golden brown and we're going to remove them from the pot. So after that nice lovely chicken done fry up, we're going to go some more buns and toss in some butter. And we're going to want to let this melt before we toss in our garlic cloves. Yes. So after that butter had melted nice and easy, we're gonna toss in our garlic cloves. So that's 4 cloves of garlic. Yep, and we are gonna fry this up for 30 seconds. So you don't know, turn down your heat. Yep, because you don't know garlic easy to burn, right? And it's nice when it burns. Here we're gonna do it now. We're gonna toss in a teaspoonful of all-purpose flour just to get the thing nice and thick. You know, we want to get it thick a little and thin. I eat that, guys. And in with our chicken stock. So we are going to dash in our chicken now, guys. Our nice golden brown good up chicken in a nice sauce here. Garlic butter sauce. Look at that, guys. Nice and lovely our garlic butter chicken. So we are going to dash a little bit of black pepper, half teaspoon. We have some chili as well, half teaspoon. And we're going to mix that in and mix it nice and lovely. Yeah, man. Like that, guys. I can smell the butter. I can smell the butter. It's nice with some white rice, you know. And that we're going to dive in another day. Yeah. Some lovely shelly white rice. There you have it, guys, our garlic butter chicken. Yeah, and I'm gonna garnish with some parsley or whatever garnish you have. You can use it to do your garnish.